Uh, so uh, Today we are going to learn about uh, how to manage the projects. Basically, at the end of the session, we'll be able to know how to work as a team and manage our projects. A shopping cart or any project that we have in our hand, how we will calculate how much work we need to have, we need to done, and who are the key resources for the project, and who is the most efficient team member, how much work we have to do, and is there any dependency. There are a lot of questions there for a project manager or a team to manage a project. Basically, in this lecture, we are going to talk about one of the best feature in Jira is Kanban board. Let's start with it. Kanban is basically a project management system designed to help you visualize your work, limit the work in progress, and maximize the efficiency, which we call the workflow. So basically, it's a workflow management system that enables you to visualize your work. If we talk about a simple shopping cart, we have just one task in our hand, that we need to develop a shopping cart. So we are not organized that what we are going to do first, and what will be the dependencies for the main page, and what should be done first, who is the best resource for doing this, and all things that can be managed by the Kanban. I'm going to show you something about Kanban. Let's just discuss about what is it. So Kanban is originated in Japan by Taichi Ono. He was an industrial engineer at Toyota, and in Japanese, it means the visual signals. Kanban means the visual signal. So basically, so many of us working in different services, projects, technologies. It can be done in any of the any type of the project. Even a builder can use it for construction purpose. So oftentimes. We see that our work is invisible or intangible. We cannot imagine, we cannot visualize, we cannot see where we are, we cannot have an idea about what to do next. So basically, the Kanban helps you to visualize your work so you can understand it better, show it to the others, and keep everyone on the same page. So I'm just going to show you something here, how Kanban works and what are the benefits of the Kanban. Let me share the other screen where I have my board. Let me just show you. So here's the Kanban board. And this board is basically about my demo lecture on the Kanban. Currently, I'm in progress. I've just finished about explaining what Kanban is. So basically, Kanban works in three, or you can make more columns. We can call it the flow of work. The one thing that is in progress, I've just completed, I'll move it to the done column, so that I've completed this. And now what I need to do, I know I have to explain the three practices of Kanban. This is the way how it works, and it's a benefit like a bandwidth like area. For example, I can limit this in progress to one. For example, if I'm teaching, so definitely I cannot explain two topic simultaneously, so I'm going to make it one. So as soon as I'll drag it here, I'm unable to drag another one. Basically, it's showing you that you are out of the limit. So let's just go to the next. For example, the three practices. How people work on Kanban: defining and visualizing the workflow, actively managing items in a workflow, and improving the workflow. Basically, it's the same like you just first realize what the work is, then you work on it, and if the work is done, then you see how we can make it, how we can improve the workflow. We can add more resources to it, or we can use the right resource. So after completing this, I'll move it to the done, and there's another one coming in to the progress. And it's basically the third step of my lecture is hands-on. That's we are already working on it, how it works. So basically, this is how Kanban works. And one more thing that I can add it here. Most of the team basically realize the benefits of Kanban by building the Kanban board, adding the stories, or as we say, the acceptance criteria to the cards, and just complete the working flow. So this is the basic idea, how to manage your work, how to manage your projects using the Kanban board. If you guys have any question, you can